Welcome to Krakow, Poland. It is I believe, the second largest city in Poland. It's located in the south of the country. And I'm making my way back up to Warsaw eventually here. So I figured I would stop in this beautiful city and show you around, as I'm hoping to also discover some cool things for myself. And I know that my 90-second Hard Rock Cafe is somewhere around the corner here. I just took an Uber ride from a shopping center that has free parking, so that was kind of a brilliant idea on my end. But so far I've seen a castle on the way, and some churches and cathedrals and things like that. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I made it to Hard Rock Cafe number 92. But first, let's pan around here and show you some of the sights. What a beautiful city. A little bit chilly, a little bit windy, but I like it. Better weather, in my opinion, than really I've had this whole trip. I like the chilly weather, preferably. I'm going to see if I can get you a better view of this church here. Let's climb. Well, let's go the other direction and climb. All the way to the top.
All day, you're going to have a nap.
Beautiful. Very busy area. Very busy city. Let's see. There's a monument down there of some sort. And another monument over here, a statue of some sort. Again, what a beautiful city. I'm anxious to get into the Hard Rock Cafe, get my souvenirs, and see what else Krakow has to offer. Alright, as we can see, there is another cathedral over this way. We have some sort of building. I don't know what the names of these things are. Yet again, I will add text do my videos as usual to show you what you're, looking at. But there's a lot of exploring to do. There's more horses, there's more buggies, there's a ton more people here than I expected, but it's a beautiful day, as you can see, and it's a great day for walking around, seeing the sights, and hopefully get some good food before I end up heading out. I'm not going to be here very long, sadly. I'd like to spend an entire day here, but sadly I have to end the trip soon, and I'm not going to be able to spend more than really a few hours here. So let's make it worth it.
Turn off the computer and I'll sort you out.
All right, so this is fried Gouda with ham, kind of like a ham and cheese, deep fried. Forget the name of that in America, but something like that. Anxious to try it though. Yeah, it's really good.